In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your Etsy purchases in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy stores all your orders in one place, so you can easily track shipments, download files, or contact sellers anytime. Now, if you want to find your Etsy purchases, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, select Purchases and Reviews. Then, you'll see a full list of all your orders. Now, click on any order to view more details. From here, you can track shipping, view order information, contact the seller, leave a review, or download digital files if available. If you checked out as a guest, go to your email inbox and open your Etsy order confirmation email. Then, click on View Your Order to access your purchase details and tracking. Keep in mind that guest orders are not stored in an account unless you create one using the same email and link the order. That's it. By accessing your purchases and reviews section, you can manage all your Etsy orders quickly and easily.